everyone, welcome back. We had a beautiful weekend. The weather was super nice. This morning started out really nice, and now we're getting quite the heavy winds. It's probably about 50 or 60 kilometers an hour. We thought we'd just grab the GoPro and come outside and do a little bit of video and just see how the GoPro picks up the sound. See if the wind can actually drown out my voice. Supposed to get heavy rains with this too, but we had very little rain today. But tonight we're definitely getting a lot of heavy wind. I'm not sure how the wind is, whether it's going to drown out the GoPro or not. Anyways, that's just a little short video of what's happening here in Canada. And as you can see, the trees are waving around a lot. The winds seem to be coming and going. And it feels like they're coming from the east and blowing to the west. We're located about a half an hour west of Toronto, Ontario. Okay, well, I'm standing out here with no coat on. I think I'm going to go back inside and isolate. Anyways, I want to thank everybody for watching. Hope everyone is staying safe, and we'll catch you in the next one.